Good Erev Shabbos, everyone. Happy Friday. And we're going to get right into lesson 2 of Likutei Halakhot and Restore My Soul. And let's get right into it. We'll elaborate. Hope everyone is well. So here, it says, lesson 2, it says, whatever a person's place, right? That is the place where he must entreat God, where he must reach out to God, see Hashem. The place where he stands, where he is there, right? He must elevate this place and connect it with the one who transcends place. This is God, who is place of the world. Then this person can serve God in truth. There's no place that could prevent him. Through sin, you can fall to the place that is not good, right? To the lowest, grossest, filthiest place. Even there, remember God, remember Hashem, for He is place of all the world. In Him, there is a place for all. Therefore, there's no such thing as a fall, right? In all the places where a person is driven, he can still return to Hashem, to God. And from there you will seek the Lord your God, from the place where he is there. So it's pretty much showing, at least from what I'm taking from this lesson, it's saying here Hashem is everywhere. No matter where he is, we can elevate him, we can connect to him, no matter where we are. And it just talks about the place, a person's place of where they are presently. If they're in an act of sin, or act of depression, act of all sorts of different things. Again, as I always say, fill in the sentence. Hashem is always there. In every place we can elevate him. Anywhere we are. We're at work, we're with family, we're shopping, etc., etc. Wish you guys all a great Shabbos. And remember, let's bring in God in any place we are. Let's focus on that today, Erev Shabbos, and try to focus on that going into Shabbos and being present during Shabbos, where we are, the places where we're at, elevating and bringing Hashem down into our place. Good Shabbos.